Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.